and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a what is in my purse, and this is just going to be a spring edition. I recently partnered up with MELIE Bianco, and I am so excited that I am partnering up with them. And I was sent this bag, and let me tell you, I am obsessed with it. And you all know, I don't talk about products here on my channel unless I truly and honestly like them. And let me tell you, this bag is my new obsession. I've been carrying it absolutely everywhere. I was never one to bring a purse to school, and lately, ever since I got this, I've been bringing it to school. So if you guys would like to see what is in here, keep on watching. So like I said, this is just my bag, and it is a MELIE Bianco bag. It is the Eileen style shoulder bag in the color Bone, and it just has gold detailing. And what's really exciting is that I actually have a 50% off coupon code for you guys off your first order. So if you use the coupon code NEW50, you will receive 50% off your purchase on the MELIE Bianco website. And let me tell you, these bags are super affordable. They are vegan. They store a lot and are such good quality. On top of being able to use the 50% off coupon, you guys can all score yourselves a really nice new handbag. So this is just the bag. It is a medium-sized bag, and it has gold handles on the top, which I love, and they are metal, so it is super structured, but it also has a cross-body strap, which is what I usually use. And then on the back of the bag, it also has a zippered pocket right here. I don't have anything in there, but let me tell you, I have a ton of stuff on the inside, so let's just jump in and see what I have. So the bag does zip on the top, and this is just what it looks like on the inside. As you guys can see, I have a ton of stuff in here, and it's not even close to being full. And I'm gonna start by going through all the pockets. So in the back right here, as you guys can see, there is a zippered pocket, and in there, all I have is my EpiPen. I use the AviQ ones. If you guys would like to learn more about these, I can definitely do an entire video on them. I always carry one of these with me, no matter what, and that zippered pouch right there is perfect for this, so it doesn't get lost in the rest of my bag. And then on the other side, there are just two other pockets that are open and don't zip. In the first one, I have my deodorant. This is just the Secret Deo Ball deodorant, and I just like the little ball because it's a lot better than carrying a full-size one around. I have a chapstick. This is the Fresh Sugar Rose one. I believe it's the travel size one, and it just has a little bit of a tint to it. And I also have a feminine product. This is just the Intimina Lily Cup Compact, which is a menstrual cup. Yes, it fits entirely in here and then pops open like this. If you guys would like to see an entire video featuring this menstrual cup and talking about it in general, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys have any specific menstrual cup related questions, leave them down below so I can answer them in that video. And then in the second pocket next to it, I just have a perfume. This is from Scentbox. I've talked about this here on my channel before. They are a monthly perfume subscription service. They have a ton of different perfumes to choose from, and you get one every month, and they just twist up like this, and then you spray them. Each month it is in a different colored tube. This one I think was around Christmas time, which is why it's red and has a Christmas present. And then they come out, and as you guys see, you get a ton. I use this all the time, and I'm still not even close to being 3/4 of the way through. And this one smells so good. This is the Viva La Juicy Noir. I have a pack of Tic Tacs because no one likes dragon breath or coffee breath. And these are the winter green ones. And then lastly, in the side pocket, I just have my charger. This is the Bando Charge Me Up charger, and it just says free refills. And I got this at Marshall's, but you can actually get them on the Pottery Barn Teen website, and I will have it linked down below. This comes in so handy. It is so sleek that it fits in any bag, and I use this at least 3 to 4 times a week. And now we are just going to be getting into the rest of the bag. First off, I just have my wallet. This is a really cheap wallet that I got from Target back when I was in high school, and it's perfect because it holds all my cards and my cash and everything I could need. However, I do want to get a nicer wallet now that I do have a nicer purse. So if you guys have any suggestions as to places to get reasonably priced wallets, let me know. I have my cell phone. I just have the iPhone 7 Plus in gold, and I also have a glittery pink spec case with a pop socket. And if you guys would like to see an updated what is on my iPhone video, because I think it's been like 2 or 3 years since I've actually done one, let me know in the comments down below because I can definitely do that. To go along with my phone, I do have my earbuds. These are the Beats X earbuds in rose gold. I love these because they are in fact Bluetooth, and I do have the iPhone 7 Plus, so I don't have a headphone jack, and if I want to be able to charge my phone while listening to music, I either need to get an adapter or I can just go ahead and use Bluetooth headphones. I have my keys, and they are just on a really old and grody Vera Bradley lanyard that needs to be washed. It is a paisley print. I'm not sure the exact print, but it has seen better days. It used to be white. Now it's like brown. I have my sunglasses, and these are just from Walmart. They are aviator style sunglasses, and I think I got them for less than $10. Walmart is a really good place place to check for sunglasses. I refuse to spend a lot of money on sunglasses because I always end up breaking them. So I like to get them at Walmart where they are cheap and easily replaceable. And then the last thing I have in my bag is another little bag, and this just has a bunch of essentials that I didn't want to just throw in my bag and have rolling around. So I put them in here. I have a hand cream. This is the Sunlight and Apple Trees Nourishing Hand Cream from Bath & Body Works. It is a fall scent, but I like using it year round. It is such a nice, fresh go-to scent for me. And to go along with that, I have the matching Pocket Back hand sanitizer. I have a mascara. This is the Makeup Forever Smoky Extravagant Travel Size Mascara. I really like this. However, I wish I had the waterproof version because this has a tendency to flake off. I have a mini Tide to Go pen, a mini nail file, a mini pair of nail clippers, as well as a mini pair of tweezers, and that is all that is in there. So that is just everything that is in my bag. As you guys can see, it does hold a lot, and I really like the print on the inside too. It is just black with white polka dots, and all throughout it just says MELIE Bianco. Like I said, if you guys are looking for a really nice quality vegan handbag, I highly recommend checking out MELIE Bianco. Again, I do have a 50% off coupon code for you guys. It is in the description box, but the coupon code is just NEW50, and you will receive 50% off, which is a steal, if you ask me. So that is everything that is in my purse for this spring. I'm sure it'll change over this summer, and if it does, and you guys would like me to do an updated what is in my purse, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week and would love if you'd become part of the Allie Paca squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!